I just wanna go. Give me 3 wishes and I'll tell you back.
We are walking to go and get our speedboat transfer. James has just lost his sunglasses, so he's very happy. But it's raining, it's grey still, but we are getting the speedboat. I'm very worried about this whole speedboat situation because one, is it covered because I don't want my bum to be wet, and two, is the sea choppy?
Am I gonna air sickness? Am I gonna get land sickness? This is how we do it in the Maldives, apparently. We've got an umbrella. It is proper coming down though, man.
Coming down.
Come and look at how sick it looks in the rain.
We are inside the AC remote, so we are inside our room at Centara Ras Fushi, and it's an over the water, a little rain shower, an over the water bungalow situation. It will look so much more different. They've done a little bed decoration set up, bottle of champers, which we're gonna pop open later, and then we've got our view. We are over the water, actually over it, and it's amazing. Sorry, it's raining. So tonight we are dining in the buffet restaurant called Ocean. And we are in a cage because James wanted to sit in the cage.
James saw a lizard when he went to the bathroom and almost pooed himself.
Lovely thing to say before dinner. Still raining, but buffets aren't open yet, but they seated us because it's pouring outside.
So if you come here and dinner opens at 7, don't do what we did and come here 10 minutes earlier and then have hungry belly.
You're going to find that James moans a lot. Nothing is ever good enough for him. The fact that we're out of the rain is not good enough for him, but it's okay.
Don't listen
Say
to
goodbye.
her.
Say goodbye.
Okay. This drink might be the best. This might be the best damn drink I ever tasted in my life. What was this called again?
Between the sheets.
Between the sheets. That's the one you want to go for. Yeah? That's the one you want to catch. Oh, she's sleeping. Oh, little love. Little lamb. Wake up, mum, because we have a lot of walking to do when we get back.
You better guide
No,
me.
seriously, if you know how far the walk is, number 1. Number 2, it's dark. Number 3, there's a bag of lizards. I went to the toilet and almost wet my entire body.
It's not going to mention the fact that it's pouring with rain.
Oh. That little PA story is not.
Sorry.
No, it is windy, no background. If you don't hear that fiddy, it's the wind.
No, this is the dangerous water when the wind's...
Oh my goodness.
Good morning from the Maldives. Still cloudy today, but not raining at the moment. Just sitting on the deck.
Right, so this is the walk that we take to go to, whether we're going to the beach or going to breakfast. So this is what the outside of the huts, what would you call these? Bungalows, that's it, overseas bungalow. So you got like stairs that lead into the sea. Yesterday we saw a lot more marine life than we did today. But I think yesterday the water was generally clearer, so you get to see all of this kind of stuff. What number are we? 333. So if you're past that, I'm going to tell you now, you got a bit of a walk. Listen, you will see the day that we arrived and we had to walk in it in the rain was not funny. Even the night that we had to walk back, that wind is trying to put you into the sea for true. One thing I do like is that you can actually just walk around barefooted.
Rain.
It's a great idea.
I have to think.
This was the moment where Rakaya started writing her 3rd book, which bought us our 5th house.
I'm hiring out Atlantis for all my family and friends in the night. So in the daytime everyone can use it as normal, and in the night we're gonna hire out Atlantis in Dubai exclusively, and there's gonna be like soca playing everywhere, songs, all the songs that we love, and drinks, food. They're gonna keep chipsticks open. I'm really excited. That's what's happening on my 30th. So if you don't know me, you're gonna want to get to know me.
Such a diva. So this is where you come to go to the first beach. This is where they do the shark feeding. This is called the View Bar. So you go there and get like loads of drinks, and it's just really nice, but we'll show you what's sick about that in a second. Then you've got the like I said, this is the first beach. The other day the tide was so strong that I'm telling you, if you were sitting there with your drink, you would have been lashed into the sand because the wind was no joke. So this is the pier that me and Rakaya were walking back on, and we had to have the umbrella to the side because it was like literally battering us.
I'm walking out from this pier where I think people get married or have like a dinner.
Yeah. The only thing about this place, we're going to take you around there, but it's literally opposite a rubbish burning place. So it's where like I suppose the industrial rubbish dump is, and then they literally burn the rubbish, and apparently it's like years and years of rubbish. So every now and then you get a whiff, or you'll see like back there's like a part of a toilet that's washed up on the sea. So it's not, that's a sad thing about being here. But this is
This looks amazing. This actually looks ridiculous.
the view that we were talking about.
Wow.
Look, you can see all the fish inside there. Oh yeah, let's see if I can. Yeah, you can see it.
Look, home shop.
There we go. But they'll be coming there later on to get some of that good food. Oh, did the crab just fall? Oh no, that's it.
Look at that crab.
We are just walking through the rock pool. This is where you come when you want to get your like diving equipment. They give you a little test just to make sure that you can like use the equipment and swim. So that is the testing pool there, and that's also where they do diving lessons as well. Not diving lessons, snorkeling lessons. So that's where you go. This is the map that will
That's where we're staying in
deluxe water villa over water villas. Yeah. So that's the map there. That's your gift shop. That's your reception. And that's another bar that you can come to. And down there somewhere is where you will go to check in.
And here is my favourite flower.
So what she's been going on about.
My favourite flower of all time.
You want to stand next to her and take a picture of you because you looked really pretty in the light.
I'm not as pretty as the flower.
You looked really pretty just there. And if you look up there, the sun is really trying to break through these clouds.
If you looked over there, look, if you point the camera down, you can see how blue the sky is
Oh yeah.
over that side.
And then you come over this side and it's not as blue, it's a little grey.
Oh, but I hope it doesn't mean that because we've had
Look.
like 2 days of...
It's like something from the Lion King. Like Mufasa's trying to break out the clouds. This is the, what's this? The rock pool. So you can have some shisha, play a couple of games. I really don't understand how this game works. I feel like you've got to box each other's ball out, but I really don't understand. Then you got the pool, you got a bar, Toilets, shower, towels. Then oh yeah, there's a gym there that I said several times I was going to use. Not once. In the rock pool. There was a bird that's been coming here ever since we came. Some big prehistoric pterodactyl. And that's all we need to say.
There's no wardrobe or closet space. They give you this rail and then the toilet's there. And then you've got the shower here. This is my least favourite part of the room, is this rail situation that is right next to the toilet. And the shower has a smell. I don't know if it's like a sewage situation. Okay, James is going, we are in our basically back garden. And James is going into the sea. There is loads of fish. Look how clear the ocean is. These flies, I cannot deal. Look, he's snorkeling. I don't know if he's going to let go of the hand. It's funny. A second try now. To go on snorkel. It's starting to rain. Good afternoon from the Maldives. Oh my goodness, since I've got here, I've not put on a single stitch of makeup. All that Dubai glamour is out the window. We are going bare and we are going natural. It was nice today. It wasn't raining. It was really overcast and cloudy. It like drizzled. James went snorkeling today. It was really clear in the water, so he saw loads of fishes, and actually so did I, and I wasn't even deep in the water. There was a trampoline in the water and he hoisted me onto that, so that was fun. Yeah, I feel like that's the lowdown on today. It's now 2:30. We've missed lunch because lunch is from 12 till 2. So I feel like I'm gonna be peckish, so we're gonna need to go out and get something to eat. Just some fries or something, because our dinner reservation is at 8. So that is Maldives day 3. So James is about to be under there watching the sharks and the fish being caught. There he is. How was it?
It was sick. I got some really close calls.
See the sharks?
Yeah, proper. I got some proper close calls.
Oh, me too, the flies.
Oh, were they proper lethal?
Oh my gosh, I just wanted to call them. Are you glad you did it?
Yeah. Like I feel
Well
like
done,
I could be
babes.
brave enough to actually feed them.
Really?
You're fine, you're fine.
Well done.
Thank you.
So we highly recommend this, yeah, that if you come here, sit on one of these 10 pigeons. Oh, yes.
To the Thai restaurant tonight. and we are actually sitting outside, which is really nice because we haven't had the opportunity to do that because the weather's been so temperamental. It's really nice. We are sitting beachside. You could sit, this option, I don't know if you can see, there's people sitting actually on the beach, but the crabs, this is lovely. Yeah.
So today we go to Jumeirah